mention these two and let it cover the other ones that are here. Our royal fathers invited guests, the electrical and electronic traders that are here, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Let me first thank the contractor or the investor, Revelation Pen, for doing a wonderful job here. It should be noted that this project that I've come to commission is not a state project. It's a project that an investor has shown capacity because of the favorable business environment that we have created in the state. It gave birth to what we are witnessing this afternoon. We didn't make mistake when we assured the world that in our state today, it is open for people to come in and invest. It is open for people to come partner with government for development. So our coming here is to tell other investors that if you want to do business in our state, we will give you the enabling environment. If you're coming to do business in our state, we will provide every other thing that you need to make sure that your business thrives well in our state. What and why are we doing it? We want development, and government alone cannot develop this state. There is need for private investors to help join hands with government for us to develop this state. I'm happy to be part of this history-making event. It's history-making because we are aware of the situation of the business, nature of business in Okija. Okija is the houses there are owned by private individuals. Some of them are converted to stores for the purpose of doing electrical and electronic business. But how convenient is that place? It's not, the problem we have transversing from Equator Road down to D-Line. If you're passing through that channel because of the activities of our business people there. So pulling that section of business to a place like this tells only one story. Bringing them together, creating a one-stop shop for such activity, where you can come in, do your business without interference. So I'm happy to be associated with this progress. And let me say here, your request for subsidizing the store, we will assist you. We are going to create a channel that you liaise with so that we can support you to ensure that your business will go on smoothly without any restriction. I'm happy, and I want to thank the investor. You see, it takes somebody who loves the state to put your money in the state. I want to assure you that we will do everything to protect your investment on the part of government so that other people will be encouraged to come and invest in our state. Let me thank the people of Olelewo for their support. If you have not given the contractor that support and encouragement, I don't think we will be here today. So I want to thank you for your hospitality. I'm not surprised. I've lived with you. You are wonderful people. Let me also thank the Commissioner for Urban Development. When you invited me for this event, I was wondering, why should I come to commission a project that the government did not partake in? It convinced me that it would be fine for me to see what he's doing, how he has been relating with people to see that business activities are organized in our states. And I have to say that I'm proud to be associated with you. I use the word you because ordinarily you should have resigned, but you refused to resign. And you've been doing great for this administration. So let me thank you. Assure you that we'll give you all the support to record more progress and development for that ministry. For our people, it is important to note that a nation is not built only by government activity. Nations are developed by the support of business activities, economic development. So I want to join you, more especially this investor. If you intend to expand outside the shopping mall, come to us. We will give you the support.